Hey, so if you are a big time DIYer like we are, then you'll definitely want to listen up to this review for a second. I was actually gifted this single horn anvil from the company Vevor, and for my honest and unbiased review. And let me tell you that this little powerhouse is perfect for small metalworking and craft projects. It's made of cast steel, weighs about 25 pounds, and it's really built to last. First off, it's loaded with features. You've got the hole for bending and shaping, the hardy hole for punching and working with accessories, and this cutting table to prevent dents in other areas. Plus, the horn is great for shaping curves and twists in metal. Everything's smooth and precision crafted, which makes your work a lot easier. It's made from cast steel, which means it's super durable and resistant to deformation. Surface is heat treated to about 50 HRC hardness, so it's built to handle tough jobs while resisting damage and corrosion. One thing my son loved is how efficient it is for forging. The surface has a rebound rate of over 70%, which means less effort for you, so each strike feels solid and the metal returns to its shape quickly, so you can get more done with fewer hits. The thick base design really helps with stability so it doesn't move around while you're working. You can even clamp it or bolt it to your workbench for extra security if you needed to, so it's really reliable for those big, heavier hits. Whether you're shaping, bending, or cutting metal, this anvil is perfect for small DIY projects. Its compact size and durable design make it a great addition to any workshop like ours. So if you're into metalworking or crafts, this product is definitely worth checking out. It's tough, reliable, and super functional, so it's perfect for all kinds of projects.